Hi, at kamusta? I'm Vic, a native Tagalog tutor born and raised in Batangas, Philippines. I've been teaching for 5 years, helping adult learners from all around the world, like professionals, travelers, and even those with Filipino relatives who wants to speak Tagalog with confidence. Let me ask you something. Are you looking for a Tagalog tutor who can help you build a strong foundation even if you're a complete beginner? Improve your pronunciation so you sound clear and natural. Learn real life Tagalog, not just textbook sentences. Speak confidently without feeling shy or intimidated. Get corrected in real time so you actually improve faster. If you said yes to most of these, then you're in the right place. In my lessons, I use a structured goal focused approach where I create a personalized learning plan which we can track to know our progress over time. I also use PowerPoint presentations, notes, and visuals to set objectives, review homework, and outline future goals. This means we focus on real communication, the kind you can actually use in daily life. If you're a beginner, don't worry. We'll start simple and build step by step until you can form your own sentences. If you already have experience, I'll help you refine your speaking, expand your vocabulary, and sound more natural, like a native speaker. Alam ko mahirap sa umpisa. Kasi kagaya ko, nag-aral din naman ako ng ibang lengguwahe. Huwag ka mag-alala kasi sisiguraduhin ko na magiging masaya at madali ang pag-aaral mo ng Tagalog. That's why I'll guide you patiently, correct you in real time, and help you become more confident every session. So here's the question. Are you ready to learn smart, speak boldly, and finally feel confident speaking Tagalog? If yes, then I'd be happy to help you. Book your lesson and remember, you're investing in a skill that connects you to people and culture. Ingat ka and I hope to see you in my class soon. Bye!